Hi Rina, hello.
សួស្តី David សុខសប្បាយ David
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
ចាខ្ញុំសុខសប្បាយ
Okay, good. I just rented this motorbike here and I was wondering where I can park it. Can I just leave it on the side of the street and just lock it and park it there or
អូអត់បានទេ
I can't, why not?
មានចោរលួច
Oh, thieves will steal the bike.
ចាមានចោរ
Okay, there are thieves. So where can I park? Where can I park the
យើងមាន
motorbike?
3 វិធី
Okay, there are three different places.
ទី
Yeah.
1បើសិនជាយើងទៅផ្សារ
Okay.
យើងទៅផ្សារគេមានកន្លែងផ្ញើម៉ូតូ
Okay, so if we go to the market, there's a place to park the motorbike.
មាន
Okay.
សបត់
Oh, and there's a ticket too, so they give us the ticket.
ចាមានសបត់អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងសបត់នេះយើងត្រូវឲ្យលុយ
Okay, so we have to give money.
Ja.
Okay. How much is it?
1000 រៀល
Okay. 1,000 real.
ចា
Okay.
សម្រាប់ម៉ូតូមួយ
For one motorbike. Okay.
ទី
The second one?
2 ទី 2បើសិនជាយើងចតនៅតាមផ្លូវចាចតនៅតាមផ្លូវយើងមានសន្តិសុខ
Oh, okay. So the second one is on the street. There are the Republic parkings
Ja.
where there are guards.
ចាអ
Yeah.
ញ្ចឹងយើងឲ្យលុយគាត់
Okay, so we have to give them money too. Okay.
ចាឲ្យលុយដែរ
Yeah.
ទី 3 នៅហាង
Okay.
នៅហាងមានសន្តិសុខដែរ
Okay, so shops are also guards.
ចាប៉ុន្តែយើងឲ្យលុយឬក៏អត់អូខេ
Okay, so we can give money or not. It doesn't matter.
ចាអត់អីទេ
Okay. But what about for the second one? Do they give us a ticket as well?
អត់មានទេ
Okay.
អត់មានទេ
Okay.
ព្រោះនៅតាមផ្លូវអញ្ចឹងសម្បត្តិនេះអត់មាន
Okay.
Ja.
And can just one more question. What happens if I lose the ticket?
ត្រូវការកាតគ្រីម៉ូតូ
Oh, so I need the registration card.
ចា
I don't have that. I just rented the motorbike. I don't have it. Okay. All right. I better not lose the. Okay.
ត្រូវតែប្រយ័ត្ន
Okay. I have to be careful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
ចាអរគុណច្រើន
Thank you.
Bye bye
Goodbye, Rina.
ជម្រាប
Goodbye.
លា
Thank you. Goodbye, everyone.